Hey everybody, I'm Michelle. Let me go ahead and show you my brand, which is the Ankh Ra. Okay? Alright, and with the Ankh Ra, you can use this in the morning or nighttime, okay? So let's just take a look. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and put that a little bit on my finger like that. And I just kind of do this right here on the eyes. Okay? I do that first, and then I do my forehead, and then I just do this. See that? So that's just coming in really, 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 really good. Okay. And that's how you do it. So with that there, you can be able to see how good it looks. Okay, how shiny and nurtured. You want it moisturized, and you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way, okay? So that's how you want to do. I'm in the camera. So that's how you want to do. You want to be able to kind of really, really, really make it be how it should, okay? So you just want to smooth it in, and you're good to go, okay?